Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details, and today's your lucky day because my new employee Ryan Cobbler is going to be the main star in today's filthy Volkswagen Amarok bath time video. We've got a few weeks worth of mud and dirt on the exterior of the truck, which is hiding a decent finish underneath. I do imagine Daz from Precious Washers must have taken this thing off-road more than once. So as always then, we'll begin with the wheels, tyres and arches because these areas theoretically should be the dirtiest areas on the car. We'll use our dedicated wheel cleaning products and tools to attend to these areas before moving to the bodywork. Remove as much dirt as possible with the jet wash to make your life easier going forwards. Auto Smart Red 7, Surfex HD, Swissfax Detail Brush, the Easy Detail Go Brush and the Tough Shine Tyre Brush are all being fondled with, and a bucket of soapy water with a random car shampoo inside. Rinse the areas to remove as much brake dust and mud, and then go ahead and apply your iron fallout remover. After a short dwell, begin to agitate with your brushes and get all areas of the wheel clean. Detailing is a very intricate and thorough process, so it does take a bit of time to do things right, but still hard work is the key component. Rinse the wheel down when the area is complete and then move to the next. Rinse the bodywork down to remove the loose bits of contamination prior to snowfall. Apply your chosen snow foam to the exterior and give it the maximum dwelling time available. You'll want to soften up as much of the remaining road grime, so when we follow with the pressure washer, most of the dirt will be removed. Clean the vehicle from the top down and don't miss any crevices. Rinse when complete. Get the camera soaking wet free of charge. Dry the bodywork with microfiber drying towels and detailing spray. Ryan is using Maguire's Last Touch spray detailer. You can also clean the door shuts and seals, including around the boot, with detail spray and microfiber towels at this point. Also take a microfiber towel and detail spray and finish off the wheels and dry the tyres ready for dressing. Today we're going to offer the truck some basic carnauba protection through the use of an old friend of mine called Colonite 476s, a wax that takes me back to the year 2008. We'll prepare the paintwork the best we can with this simple wash and wax cost effective treatment with a full body wipe down using G-Technic panel wipe. This will remove all previous polish residue, wax residue and even the detail spray that we've just used. This will provide us with a better base to apply our heritage wax onto. Ideally a full detail would be undertaken, but unfortunately that isn't down to me to decide. I'll apply the Colonite 476's wax to protect the Amarok's paint for anywhere up to 5 or 6 months. I've used this wax since I was 18, and although I've only used it a handful of times in the last 4 or 5 years, it was nice to use it again today to make the Amarok sandy brown paint pop a shine. Spread the wax over the entire vehicle and do try and keep product usage to a minimum. You can give this wax 10 to 15 minutes to fully haze over, but just remember that by controlling how much product you use will make the removal stage either super easy or hard. Either way, buff the wax residue from the paint to reveal an awesome finish. Dress the arches and tyres, and for these monsters I'll use a 5:1 dilution of Maguire's Hyper Dressing. This will enhance the appearance of these areas, and considering they are quite substantial, it will make a difference. Take a fluffy and ideally a deep pile polishing towel to gently wipe the wax residue away. With the day coming to an end, we got the truck finished off and we left it in the unit overnight to give the hyper dressing a bit more time to work. We came back in the following day to get the finished shots. Please visit preciouswashers.co.uk for all of your precious washing needs. There is a link in the description below for your convenience. These guys are based across the car park from me, and they can supply you with a Kranzel or a Nilfisk machine. Just get in touch and say I sent you. We did a decent job on the truck, and it was nice to see it change from a dirty looking thing into a half decent looking example. Not a bad before and after. It was Ryan's first time on camera and he still is in the early days of his training, but he's still doing okay. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future content and make sure those notifications are turned on. Feel free to give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram, just search JP Details, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.